If you want your JavaScript, Python, Golang, or Mojo programs to talk to ChatGPT, you need an API key. And if you're watching this video, you've probably struggled to find it. Now, if that's the case, I know why. It's because you've probably gone into this ChatGPT user interface webpage and poked around settings and you just can't find it. Well, the reason you can't find it is you're in the wrong place. You got to head over to platform.openapi.com and you got to click on that dashboard link. And when you get a dash of that dashboard, you're going to be taken to a spot where you can get those API keys. Now, it is buried. It's right at the bottom there, but you just have to click API keys, and then there's a beautiful green button floating around there. I'm going to call it my API key, give it a name, click generate key. There's different options that you've got there, but if you just want to start programming right away, I wouldn't worry about service accounts. Just create the key and boom, all of a sudden we've got the option to copy that key. Now, be careful, put that somewhere secure. Don't commit it as part of one of your files in GitHub and put it into a public repo. Store that somewhere securely because you don't want other people to get their fingers on it. But store it, copy it, make sure that you've saved it, because once you click done, you can't get that API key again. You're going to have to create a new one. Now, what do you do once you've got that key? Well, you start programming. I've got a little bit of code here that's written in Python and it needs an API key. It says, put your API key here. And I'm the type of person that does what he's told. So I'm going to paste that in there. I'm going to click Control S. This is not a tutorial on Python programming with ChatGPT, but that code isn't difficult to understand. It says, tell me a programmer joke. And the response is, why do programmers prefer dark mode? Because light attracts bugs. There you go. Bing, bang, and boom. We've now got our open API key and even proven that we can use it to connect to ChatGPT.